Q is for Quail with Hopi. Hopi is ready for a big adventure today. What will Hopi find that starts with Q? Let's go, Hopi shouts with a giggle. Walking through the tall, green grass, Hopi hears a sound. Pip, pip, pip. Out pops a little bird with a funny feather on its head. It is Quincy the Quail. Quincy likes to hop just like Hopi does. Quincy the Quail points his beak toward the sky. Look, something is floating in the air. It is a giant, glowing question mark. Quincy wonders what it is. Pip, Quincy asks, looking up at the curvy shape. Hopi looks at the question mark too. A question means we are thinking. Hopi says. Hopi taps a finger on her chin. Where will the question mark lead them? It is time for a quiet quest to find out. The question mark leads them to a golden gate. Standing there is a lady with a very tall, shiny crown. Hello, says Queen Quilla. She is very kind and wears a dress that sparkles like the sun. Quincy the Quail is very brave. He flies up and perches right on the arm of the Queen's throne. Queen Quilla laughs a musical laugh. She loves having a little bird friend visit her garden. The sun begins to set, and the air gets a little chilly. Queen Quilla gives Hopi something special. It is a quilt. The quilt has many colors: red, blue, yellow, and green. It feels very soft and bumpy. Hopi spreads the quilt on the soft grass. Come here, Quincy, Hopi calls. Quincy the Quail snuggles right into the middle of the blanket. It is the perfect spot for a quick rest after a long day. Quincy the Quail closes his eyes. He is very sleepy. He dreams of all the cute things they saw today. He dreams of the letter, the question, and the kind queen. Pip, pip, Quincy whispers in his sleep. Hopi yawns a very big yawn. Q is for Quail, and Q is for quiet. It is time to go home and dream of new adventures. Goodbye, Q, Hopi whispers. Good night, Hopi. Good night, Quincy. Q is for Quail with Hopi. Subscribe Hopi and Friends.